Hello. Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Faruk's. In this video, we are going to learn 5 important phrases and idioms. Let's start our learning. Number 1. Put in a word. Put in a word means to say positive thing about someone. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো কারো পক্ষে কিছু বলা। For example, I requested him to put in a word for me. Another example, I really need a job and I was hoping you might put in a word for me with your boss. Number 2. Through thick and thin. Through thick and thin means under all circumstances. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো সকল অবস্থাতেই। For example, I had a good relationship with him through thick and thin. Another example, she has stuck with me through thick and thin. Number 3. Dilly Dally. Dilly Dally means to waste time. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো গড়িমসি করা অথবা সময় নষ্ট করা। For example, don't dilly dally. Just get your bags and let's go. Another example, there will be some real shooting here if you dilly dally any longer. Number 4. Hold water. Hold water means believable. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো বিশ্বাসযোগ্য। For example, his alibi just did not hold water. Another example, the excuses you use in high school will not hold water in college. Number 5. With open arms. With open arms means with grateful affection or enthusiasm. বাংলা যার অর্থ হলো উষ্ণ অভ্যর্থনায় অথবা বন্ধুসুলভভাবে। For example, my new in-laws accepted me with open arms. Another example, we welcomed her offer with open arms. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video a lot. If you liked my videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. And don't forget to like my videos. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Till then, take care of yourself and be safe. Bye bye.